You must have been taught how to draft a letter in your Marathi and Hindi classes. There are two types of letter writing. The first type is informal letters, which is written to family, relatives and friends. The other type is formal letters. Such letters are written for official purposes. There are different ways in which a letter can be formatted. Out of these, we are going to learn two formats today. These formats are called semi-block format and full block format. Semi-block is a very old format. This is the one that is taught in schools. In this, we write the name and address of the sender at the top of the letter on the right. The receiver's name is written on the left. The subject line is written in the center of the line. The first line of every paragraph starts after leaving some space. At the end, the letter is signed at the bottom on the right. Full block format is a new format of writing a letter. In this layout, the sender's name and address, the receiver's name, the subject of the letter as well as the signature are all started from the left. Thus, this way of letter writing saves time. Nowadays, formal letters are often drafted this way. We shall now learn all that is required to draft a letter in both these formats. While drafting a letter, the matter is divided into paragraphs. The first line of every paragraph always starts after leaving some space from the left margin. Paragraph. To set the format for the first line of the paragraphs, we need to open the dialog box launcher of the paragraph group in Home tab. We will see the option Special in this dialog box. Once we select this option, we will see two more options, first line and hanging. With the option of first line, we can set the first lines of all the paragraphs in the document at a distance from the left margin, and this distance can be set with the option By next to it. With the hanging option, we can set the distance of all the other lines in the paragraph from the left margin by filling in the measurement in the option By given next to it. Spacing. The space desired between two paragraphs can be fixed with the command spacing. The command spacing is available in the paragraph dialog box. In this command, there are two buttons, before and after. We can set the space we desire before and after a paragraph. Similarly, we can even fix the space between two lines with the line spacing command.